Hello everyone. Before installing Microsoft Hyper-V, you should check it first. Search optional features in settings and select more Windows features. Search for Hyper-V. If it is there, then you just have to enable it by ticking the box. But if it is not there, then you have to install it. To install it, create a new text document and write these commands. You can copy these commands from description. Now, we have to change its extension. If you don't see it, then select View and show file name extensions. Remove .txt and write .bat. Then run it as administrator. This will install Microsoft Hyper-V in your PC. Type Y and it will restart your PC. After restarting, you can check it from more Windows features option and enable or disable it from there. So this is how you can install Hyper-V in any PC. And if you want to know installation of any other feature, then comment me down below. See you in the next one.